Racing against time, mastering the clock. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an exciting and commonly used English phrase, race against time. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary. It's about grasping the essence of urgency and deadlines in English-speaking cultures. Let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. The phrase, race against time, refers to a situation where someone is trying to accomplish something within a limited period. Imagine you're in a race, not against other competitors, but against the clock. The time is ticking, and you need to finish your task before it runs out. This phrase beautifully captures the urgency, the hustle, and the challenge of beating the deadline. Everyday life. In everyday situations, you might use race against time to describe personal deadlines or urgent tasks. For example, if you're trying to finish a project before the deadline, you could say, I'm in a race against time to complete this by tomorrow. In the workplace, in a professional setting, this phrase can highlight the urgency of meeting project deadlines or targets. Saying, we're racing against time to launch the new product line, emphasizes the critical timing and effort involved. News and media. You'll often hear race against time in news reports, especially when discussing rescue operations, disaster response, or time-sensitive missions. It adds a sense of dramatic urgency and importance to the events being described. 1. Emergency response. After the earthquake, it was a race against time to rescue people trapped under the rubble. 2. Project deadlines. With the exhibition opening next week, it's a race against time to get everything prepared. 3. Personal goals. I'm in a race against time to finish reading this novel before our next book club meeting. Understanding the phrase, race against time, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you articulate situations involving urgency and deadlines more vividly. It's a powerful expression that conveys the tension of battling against the inevitable march of time. We hope this video has illuminated this fascinating phrase for you, making your journey in learning English even more rewarding. Remember, mastering a language is also a race against time, but it's one where persistence and practice lead to victory. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.